Kids, did you know you can be a hero every single day? That's right, not just any hero, but an Earth hero. By taking a few simple steps, you can help protect our planet and keep it clean and healthy. Let's learn how. Pick up trash. The first step to being an Earth hero is super easy. Pick up trash. Whenever you see litter on the ground, put it in a trash can or recycling bin. Keeping our streets and parks clean helps protect animals and keeps the Earth beautiful. Save water. Heroes always protect precious things like water. So remember, save water by turning off the faucet when you brush your teeth and not wasting water while washing your hands. Every drop matters, and saving water helps both people and animals. Plant trees. One of the best ways to help the Earth is by planting trees. Trees clean the air, provide homes for animals, and make our world a greener place. So, grab a seed and plant a tree. You'll be making the Earth happier with every tree you grow. Turn off the lights. Earth heroes know how important it is to save energy. That's why they turn off lights when they leave a room and unplug devices they're not using. By saving energy, we help reduce pollution and make the Earth a healthier place to live. Use eco-friendly transport. Earth heroes love to move, but they do it in a way that keeps the planet safe. Instead of driving everywhere, they walk, ride bikes, or use public transport. Walking and biking don't pollute the air, and using buses or trains means fewer cars on the road, which means cleaner air for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Let's go out and save the Earth, one small step at a time. Be an Earth hero today.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to become part of our Earth Heroes team.